In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not auto-filling passwords. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find this app on your home screen. It looks like a gear icon. Once you tap on it, the Settings menu will open up. This is where you can customize various features of your device. Navigating to this menu is crucial because it allows you to access the AutoFill and Passwords settings. This will set the foundation for fixing the autofill issue in Safari, which is essential for a smooth browsing experience. Next, navigate to the General section within Settings. Scroll down until you see the General option and tap on it. This section contains many important settings for your device. Here you will find various options that help you manage your device's system settings. Once you are in General, look for the Autofill and Passwords option. This is where you can make adjustments to how Safari handles passwords. Taking the time to adjust these settings is important because it directly affects how easily you can log into your favorite websites. Now it's time to turn on Autofill Passwords and Passkeys. You will see a toggle switch next to Autofill Passwords. Tap the switch to turn it on if it isn't already enabled. This feature allows Safari to automatically fill in your passwords, saving you time and effort. When this is enabled, you'll notice a significant difference in how quickly you can log into your accounts. Enabling this feature is a simple yet powerful step that enhances your overall browsing experience. Next, ensure that your preferred password provider, such as Passwords, is enabled. This means that Safari will use the designated provider to fill in your passwords. You may see a list of options, and you should select the one that fits your needs best. This step is critical because if the wrong provider is selected, Safari won't autofill your passwords as intended. By confirming this setting, you are setting yourself up for success in managing your passwords. After that, go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, then find iCloud and select Passwords. Once you are in the Passwords section, make sure that syncing is turned on. This allows your passwords to be stored in iCloud and accessible across all your devices. If syncing is off, you may miss out on important updates or changes to your passwords. Keeping this feature enabled ensures that your passwords are always up to date and available when needed. Now let's turn off private browsing in Safari. Open your Safari app and tap on the tabs icon at the bottom right. If private browsing is enabled, you will see a dark background with white text. Tap on it to disable private browsing. This step is essential because private browsing prevents Safari from saving your password data. Once you disable this feature, Safari will be able to autofill your passwords again. Next, restart Safari to apply the changes. You can do this by closing the app completely and then reopening it. This simple action can resolve many temporary glitches or issues. After relaunching Safari, try signing in to a website that requires your password. You should see that Safari is now able to autofill your credentials. This step reinforces the changes you've made and ensures they take effect immediately. If the issue continues, the final step is to update your iPhone or iPad. Go back to Settings and tap on General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Keeping your device updated is vital for optimal performance and security. Regular updates can resolve many bugs and improve the overall functionality of your device, including Safari. Remember, some websites may prevent Safari from saving or autofilling passwords. If you encounter this issue, it may not be related to your settings. However, by following these steps, you've taken significant actions to enhance your Safari experience.